guys, Steph here. Now, for you regular viewers that watch my videos on a regular basis, some of you may actually remember this pen here. There we go. Once again, a very nice pen. Bit tired, bit tatty, needs a little bit of work to it, so what we'll do, we'll give it a little bit of TLC. And after that TLC, here's the pen in question. What a lovely, lovely pen. What we've got for you here, as you saw in that previous video, nice and simple. Let's go straight up to the clip there. You can see it's a Burnham fountain pen. Comes in this lovely burgundy colour. It's basically just a straightforward, no nonsense fountain pen, and a quality made pen as well. Now, when I actually saw this pen, I looked at the barrel imprint, which, let's show you. Okay, there we go. So there's a barrel imprint, nice and clear for you. Okay, so it reads Burnham pen, London, England. So when I saw it, I thought, that's a bit unusual, because the majority of these Burnham pens actually have the model number on the barrel itself. This one doesn't. So I thought, oh, that's a bit unusual. Now, after doing a little bit of homework, I found out, nice and simple, this one is the Burnham number 55 fountain pen. And the reason it doesn't have the number 55 on the barrel as an imprint, I believe to be that these pens were made to be put into a set. So you'd have maybe a fountain pen and a pencil in a box as a set. So I don't know how true it is, but that's what I've read. The fact that it doesn't have a number, they were made to be put in a set. But either way, this pen is, as I say, the number 55 model. As you've just seen very briefly, it's a lever fill fountain pen. There you go. And then if we take you up to the cap once again, you can see it's got these two sort of quite thin cap bands to the bottom of the cap there. As you've just seen, a very recognisable Burnham clip. And then to the very top, we've got on these pens, the sort of gold plated jewel to the top. So this clip is what they term as the jewel clip, because the Burnhams came in many different sort of colours, different models, etc., different clips. But as I say, this one being the jewel clip. But once again, a gorgeous pen in this lovely burgundy. It had a little issue just round the bottom of the cap there. It had some chips, or some chips out of the bottom of the cap, which have filled, polished out, and everything now is absolutely stunning. Incidentally, the size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's just a tad under 12 millimeters in diameter. So as you can see, a lovely size pen. As we said, the Burnham pens, I've got lots of Burnhams available. They come in lots of different colours, some nice marbling colours. They're absolutely gorgeous pens. Obviously a British made pen, and quality made pens as well. This one we've fully restored, we've put a brand new sack in it, everything's been thoroughly cleaned, so we're ready to find a new home for this lovely pen. Let's take you up to this section. You can see it's got a black section, slight ridge towards the nib there. And if we show you the nib itself, it's got a warranted 14 karat gold first quality nib. There's the sideways view, and then if we take you underneath, it's got quite a nice interesting feed underneath, what they term as this sort of ladder feed, as you can see there. Again, everything, well, basically everything gets totally disassembled, everything gets thoroughly cleaned, even to the extent that the sort of between the fins there, everything is thoroughly cleaned. A lovely size pen. As I've mentioned before, I've got quite large hands, and it's still a lovely comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Now, I'm not going to fill the pen because as I say, I've just restored it, new sack, and we're going to find a new home for it. So what I'll do, just let's see how it writes. What we'll do a dip test. So what we have is forgot how to spell it. Burnham pen, London, England. And the pen I'm dating from around about sort of 1948, sort of the late 1940s. Let's just give it another dip. It's writing very nicely indeed. There we go. Made in England, as I say, in burgundy. Actually, just feeling it, the pen actually has a little bit of flex. So if I do some, let's just give it another dip. So if we give it some figure of eights there. Okay, so we're running out of ink again, but you can see there nice and clearly there's a little bit of variation. It's got a little bit of flex to the nib, but writing very nicely indeed. So I'm sure somebody will be more than happy with this pen. Let's just give it a little bit of a wipe. We'll clean it after the video, and it'll be ready. Well, it's ready now to find a new home. But a gorgeous Burnham pen. As I said, when I first saw it, I was a little bit curious with the barrel imprint, so I thought, right, I'll restore it, clean it up, do a little bit of homework, and find out why it doesn't have a model number. But for all intents and purposes, what we've actually got for you here, as I said, is a Burnham number 55, one of the top of the range within the Burnham family of pens. Gorgeous. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below there, leave a comment. Subscribe as well to my channel. Why not just subscribe? And just down to the bottom, press that thumbs up symbol. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. But just for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini. And from me and this beautiful pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.